Entry from the Journal of Nora West Allen. The timeline is malleable. Why that's the only one that's translated? Why is she interested in the timeline? And maybe more important, why is she hiding this interest?
Sherlock, we need you in the cortex.
But of course.
Kira May, Dwayne Geist, Carl Bork. All three metas who were killed by Cicada last night.
So Cicada's killed almost as many people in the last 12 hours as he has in the last 8 months?
And it doesn't look like he's slowing down anytime soon.
Oh, we need to stop him before he hurts anyone else.
Sherlock, do you have any ideas on what to do about that?
Not at the moment, but anytime I run into a roadblock in an investigation, I do what I always do. I just pursue a different avenue. We'll find him. Something will bring him to us. Something like...
Satellite's picking up dark matter flare. It's him.
Something like that.
Suit up, we don't have a lot of time. Not without precautions. For Killer Frost.
She doesn't need a weapon. Killer Frost is the weapon.
Powers or no powers, I will mess you up.
Negate this!
Hold on. Help!
We need Caitlin.
We need to get her to a hospital. Here.
No,